been kicked out of Roblox with error 9007? Yeah, me too. Let's fix it together. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Roblox is one of the most popular gaming platforms worldwide, but sometimes players encounter error code 9007. This error often points to client-side issues such as corrupted files, unstable internet, or temporary conflicts with Roblox servers. While frustrating, the error is not permanent. With a few practical steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem, ensuring Roblox runs smoothly again. Here is how to fix error code 9007. Method 1. Wait for some time. Roblox error 9007, service instances unavailable, indicates a major widespread back-end server failure rather than a specific user issue. It causes failed logins and inability to join games, often during global outages. As it is a platform-side issue, players would wait for Roblox to resolve it. Method 2. Check Roblox server status. Due to server outages, Roblox can show errors. So check the game server and see if there is any problem. In case you find the server is undergoing any maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and running. If there is no problem on the server side, then clear the Roblox cache. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Meanwhile, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Roblox can occur due to an unstable internet connection. Check the internet speed by visiting this website and see if you have a stable internet connection. If the internet connection is unstable, then you can contact your internet service provider to fix the issue. If the internet connection is stable, then check the game server. Method 4. Run Roblox in compatibility mode. Running Roblox in compatibility mode can sometimes help. So run Roblox in compatibility mode and see if this can fix the Roblox error. Follow these steps. Right-click on the Roblox desktop shortcut, click on the Properties. Next, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to Run this program in compatibility mode for option. Select a Windows version. Also check the box for Run this program as an administrator option. Once done, relaunch Roblox and see if this could fix the error. If you again get the same error, delete the Roblox log files. Method 5. Delete Roblox log files. Roblox stores all the temporary data on your PC so that when you relaunch the game, it can open faster with all the game saves. If this data gets corrupted, then you can get Roblox error codes while playing or launching it. To fix the issue, delete all the Roblox log files. Press Windows + R to launch the Run utility. Enter the following command in the Run command box and hit Enter. From the next window, select all the log files. Pressing Ctrl + A and hit the Delete button. Once the log files gets deleted, exit the window and relaunch Roblox. If the error persists, reset your network settings. Method 6. Log out and log in to Roblox. Logging out of your Roblox account and then logging in can sometimes help you if you are experiencing Roblox error 9007. If you are logged into the same Roblox account from multiple devices, then sign out from every device. Then log into your account again from a single device. After logging out and logging in, check if the error is fixed. If not, then restart the router. Method 7. Reset the network settings. Sometimes due to a corrupted DNS cache, you get error 9007 on Roblox. Flushing DNS and resetting WinSock will clear all the DNS records from the cache and reset the network settings. Follow these steps to clear DNS and reset network settings. Type command prompt or CMD in the Windows search menu. Select Run as administrator option for command prompt. Now enter the following lines of commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit Enter after each time. Once you finish running all the above commands, close the command prompt window. Restart your PC, launch Roblox and see if you can connect to the servers now. Fixing Roblox error code 9007 is one of the most effective ways to restore your connection and keep your gameplay uninterrupted. By applying these solutions, you will eliminate crashes and enjoy Roblox without uninterrupted or unexpected shutdowns. If this video helped you solve error code 9007, hit like, subscribe for more practical Roblox and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.